Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many developers face when trying to implement dynamic icons in their weather app. Have you ever encountered an error message saying string interpolation can only appear inside a string literal? Don't worry if you have. It's more common than you think. If you've been working on a project where you need to dynamically change the icon based on the weather conditions, chances are you've come across this error. In this video, we'll break down what this error message means and how to resolve it. To understand why we're getting this error, let's first talk about string interpolation. String interpolation is a way of inserting expressions inside string literals using the $, syntax today. However, as the error message suggests, this can only be done within a string literal. When you try to use string interpolation outside of a string literal, such as in an expression or as part of a larger statement, the compiler gets confused and throws an error. This is because it expects the expression inside the $, to be evaluated immediately, which isn't possible when it's not contained within a string. Now, let's talk about how we can resolve this issue. The key here is to make sure that any expressions you want to evaluate are properly wrapped in a string literal. One way to do this is by using template literals instead of traditional string concatenation. For example, imagine you have an icon name stored in a variable called iconame, and you want to dynamically insert it into your HTML or JSX. Instead of doing something like img $, iconame, which would throw the error, you can use template literals to properly wrap the expression img $, iconame. This tells the compiler that iconame is a variable that should be evaluated and its result inserted into the string. By wrapping it in backticks, we're creating a template literal that allows us to embed expressions inside. Another common mistake that can lead to this error is trying to use string interpolation with other types of data, like numbers or Boolean. Remember, string interpolation only works within string literals. So what are the main points to take away from this discussion? 1. String interpolation must be inside a string literal. Make sure that any expressions you want to evaluate using $ are properly wrapped in a string literal. 2. Use template literals instead of traditional concatenation. Template literals using backticks provide an easier and safer way to insert expressions into string. 3. Only use string interpolation with string literals. Avoid trying to use string interpolation with other data types like numbers or Boolean. That's it for today's video. I hope this explanation helped clarify the meaning behind that pesky error message and provided a clear solution to resolving it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment below with any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials and tips. We'd love to hear about your own experiences with string interpolation or dynamic icons in weather apps. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.